Are you stuck in six figures and ready to get to seven and beyond? Are you working countless hours, missing time and events with your kids? Are you not getting enough rest because you spend all night working on the biz? Are you missing out on quality time with your friends and family because the business sucks up your whole week? Are your weekends filled with work that just never seems to end? It's time to break that cycle. Here at the Automation Goat, we've helped scale businesses from 15K months to 100K plus months. We've helped startups go from nothing to 50K months in less than 90 days. We've booked sub $40 appointments for our SaaS founders for 2 years straight, even in the midst of this chaos. And I've even earned the nickname, the Automation King, through using our digital marketing efforts and technology that actually works and brings results every single time. How, you might ask? Just listen to what these people have to say.
Hey, my name is Marley Jax. I hired Big Mar to help us build out a dual funnel system, and I am so grateful for the day that I met him. What he's doing for us with building the dual funnel system is helping us to pretty much generate leads on autopilot and also put them through this nurturing system that is all automated.
So this is what he's done with this crazy dual funnel system that he had with my strategy. So this is what I got from this, which is blowing my mind. I got 108 leads. I got 62 of them booked, right? I got 40 taken. This is the craziest thing right here. I got 34 of them to put their credit card on file.
Hey there, my name is Belladonna Rizzo, and I am a real estate broker. I have been working with Marv now for many years. As a matter of fact, I think it's probably been close. It's coming up probably close to about 7 years. And I cannot speak highly enough about his absolute stunning knowledge of this business across multiple facets.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chris Zizzo. I am an online health and fitness coach, a professional bodybuilder, and a social media influencer. I just wanted to take some time to talk to you guys about what Big Marv and the Automation Go service has done for me. If you need automation in your life, if you need somebody that's actually going to take care of your business as if it was his own, I highly, highly recommend that everybody has a Big Marv in their life.
And you're probably thinking, why should I listen to this crazy looking tattooed random dude that just popped up on my newsfeed? What's good, everybody? First, I'm just gonna start off by saying my name is Big Marv, and thank you for hanging in this long. And it's probably kind of obvious, but the dual funnel system was not developed overnight. This is a result of my 20 years of experience being a systems engineer and automation specialist, where I spent a good portion of my career over at Microsoft engineering their servers for DoD clients and enterprise ones. You know, little old names like McDonald's, Nike, Old Navy. Maybe you heard of them, maybe you haven't. We work with clients in home businesses, SaaS services, coaching, course creation, personal trainers, real estate, mortgage brokers, dentists, like you name it, we've probably built a system for it. That's how deeply embedded we've been in this community, running these systems and pumping millions of dollars of traffic through these platforms every single week, every single month for our clients around the world. The list goes on and on. I've literally lost count of how many funnels, systems, websites, and automations I've built over the years. I built my first computer when I was 10, so I've had a long time to build a lot of stuff, and like literally I just can't keep up anymore. With the dual funnel system, we're going to implement our strategies and proven systems that we know to work inside of your business that are going to work 24/7 around the clock to bring you high quality leads on autopilot without you having to lift a finger. Not only do we pump the system with these leads for you on autopilot, but we dial it in and we optimize it. We nurture those leads. We get them excited to work with you. We get them excited to come back for more. We get them to self-book on your calendar, so you're not even having to focus every day on how do I get my calendar filled up. We already got it for you, baby. We'll give you all the automation that you need to tie this system into whatever you're currently using, so you can dial in that predictability, so you can turn lead acquisition, booked appointments, and sales into a math problem in your business. My goal is to turn every single facet of your business into a math problem. You need more leads here? Turn this dial. You need more appointments here? Turn this dial. You need more sales? Turn this dial. You need more referrals? Turn this dial. After all, you're still watching this ad, right? That must mean I'm doing something right if I can keep you engaged watching an ad for this long. And we do the same thing for you inside your business. find those people that need you, need your service, and send them straight to your calendar. So if this is an example enough for you to show that what we do actually works, I don't know what to tell you. But if you're finally ready to break into 7 figures, if you're ready to put those sales on autopilot, I want to connect with you on a one-on-one call. I want to hear your vision. I want to hear your goals. I want to know what legacy you're trying to leave behind. I want to find out how we can bring your dreams to reality with this technology. We counting down, baby. 10 seconds. Let's go. You know you want to join. You know you want to book a call with me. I know you need them leads on autopilot. I know whatever you're using right now isn't working. Timer's still going. You still paying attention? All right now. You still watching this ad? Click that link below. Get on my calendar. Let's get you some leads, baby. Let's get you some book calls. This is Big Marv. One love.